Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about the pan tool. The pan tool is, you can hit the letter H, you get the pan tool, but just the other day I was using the pan tool to move around this map. And then if I wanted to zoom in, all I have to do is take my wheel of my mouse and zoom in. I've still got the pan tool. So I could zoom in, zoom out. You can actually hit your mouse buttons. The right mouse button will go out, and if you double click a couple times on the in button, it'll go in, but it's a lot easier to just use the wheel. So if you're panning around, you could look at lines, and then if you wanted to go to, the shape tool to move that shape and make it a little rounder and for your map. And then all you have to do is hit the space bar and you get the pick tool back. But you can always grab your pan tool and keep panning around, and then go, I want to zoom into that spot. You can use your mouse wheel. And like I want to make that a little rounder, so I'm going to do like that, and I'm right on top of it. That arrow is way out there. But anyway, that's the pan tool and zooming. Pretty cool effect because you can look around, zoom in, go back out. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.